Welcome back, folks. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. We'll explore what AI is, its potential impact on our lives, and how it might shape our future. So, buckle up and join us on the enlightening journey into the realm of AI. Let's start by demystifying AI. Artificial intelligence refers to the development of computer systems capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks can range from speech recognition and image processing to complex decision-making processes. AI algorithms learn from data and adopt their behavior over time, making them increasingly efficient and capable. AI has already woven its way into our daily lives, often without us even realizing it. From voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to recommendation algorithms on social media and online shopping platforms, AI is revolutionizing how we interact with technology. It's making our lives more convenient, efficient, and personalized. However, there is a flip side to this technological progress. As AI continues to advance, there are concerns about its potential impact on various aspects of our lives. One significant concern is job displacement. Automation powered by AI technologies could potentially replace certain job roles, raising questions about the future of work and the need for upskilling and reskilling. Another critical aspect is the ethical considerations surrounding AI. As AI systems make autonomous decisions, questions arise about transparency, accountability, and bias. We must ensure that AI technologies are developed and deployed responsibly to avoid unintended consequences and reinforce trust in these systems. So, what does the future hold with AI? The possibilities are vast. From healthcare and transportation to finance and entertainment, AI is expected to transform industries across the board. We might witness breakthroughs in medical diagnosis, autonomous vehicles, personalized education, and more. However, striking a balance between innovation and ensuring the well-being of humanity will be crucial. As we wrap up our exploration of AI, it's evident that this technology holds immense potential. It can streamline processes, enhance efficiency, and improve our lives in many ways. Yet, we must approach it with caution, address ethical concerns, and work towards an inclusive future where AI benefits all. Let's embrace the power of AI while keeping our human values and well-being at the forefront. Thank you for joining us on this eye-opening journey into the realm of AI. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of the ever-evolving world of technology.